Hello fellow motorcyclists. This is my first demo of a heads-up display for motorcycling. If you want to ride like a fighter pilot, Live Maps has it. Live Maps has a heads-up display, and for navigational purposes, you could ride through San Francisco or any other destination and knowing where you want to go visually. And it's a see-through, so you don't have to be distracted by looking down like in other heads-up display. It is voice activated, so if you want your speed or you just want to show the navigational or not, you could all voice activated. You could have incoming calls while you're riding. You could also have the camera. You could show your ride and how you're doing in the turns and twisties. This is an awesome helmet which everyone should need who is a very much enthusiastic rider like I am.
So it was really cool. I really liked it. It was something new. I haven't really seen something like this before, and I really hope I see this in production and in the market really soon, so that I can try one on the road and really experience the augmented reality in real world.
Not anymore. Yeah, I think that the picture was actually quite bright, and I think that they would be used for that for the motorcycles. So okay. I'm impressed.
The experience was quite good. I'm a motorcycle rider myself. There needs to be some work done still, but it's a great potential for motorcycle riders. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it.
Live Maps will be available next year, 2018. Live Maps has accepting pre-orders right now and production in 2018. Please visit livemaps.info.
From the industry leader in motorcycle communication, Sena brings you Momentum, a complete line of Bluetooth integrated full-face helmets. Hear Sena as it was meant to be heard. Starting with the 4-way intercom-ready Momentum Lite helmet, allowing you to talk with 3 other riders and connect to multiple Bluetooth devices with 27 hours of talk time. Sena doubles the connectivity with the Momentum helmet, featuring up to 8-way Bluetooth intercom communication, audio multitasking, and the ability to pair with multiple Bluetooth devices. The Sena Momentum Pro goes beyond rider connectivity with an integrated 2K action camera and Wi-Fi connectivity for ease of use and to share your adventures on the go. Designed completely around Sena's top-of-the-line communication and camera technology, all Momentum helmets are built with multiple shells in sizes extra small to XXL, HD quality speakers and microphone using Sena's advanced noise control technology, a 3-part ventilation system, scratch and UV-resistant pin-lock-ready visor featuring a quick-release system and an optional smoke shield. And if complete integration wasn't enough, the Sena Momentum INC helmet houses Sena's patented intelligent noise control, reducing low-frequency wind noise, allowing you to ride longer, safer, and hear clearer. With advanced ear cups, listen to your 8-way group intercom and stereo music at lower volume levels with less interference, preserving your hearing and focus. The Momentum INC also features ambient mode, allowing you to amplify external sound for a quick conversation without removing your helmet. Lastly, the Momentum INC Pro takes features from the entire Momentum series, integrating a 2K action camera with Wi-Fi connectivity, 8-way Bluetooth intercom, and Sena's intelligent noise control for the most complete helmet thus far. With complete integration, unprecedented battery life, and designed entirely around Sena, stay connected and listen like never before. Designed for riders, by riders. This is the Momentum Helmet Series from Sena.
Introducing the Coros Omni Smart Cycling Helmet with bone conduction audio that gives you a safe, wireless, budless precision audio experience as you ride. Our technology delivers audio vibrations through your upper cheekbones and directly into your inner ear, keeping your ears open to listen to your environment and your hands on the bike. Combined with a wind-resistant microphone in your smartphone, you can play music, listen to voice navigation and ride data, and even take calls. Controls are right at your fingertips. With the smart remote, you can skip tracks, adjust volume, answer calls, and activate the safety light for maximum visibility. And with the cloud-based Coros smartphone app, you can set and save routes, track ride data, share, and compete all in real time. All of this integrated into a performance helmet that's sleek, lightweight, aerodynamic, and safe, giving you the power to stay connected and the freedom to love your ride.
Let's ride. Be seen, be safe. As a cyclist, that's a pretty good motto. And lights built right into a helmet, now that's a sight to see. High and bright, all the better for eyes on the road. And yeah, these LEDs do turn signals. Click the remote, or check this. Apple Watch, gesture recognition. You do the hand signal, Apple Watch does the thinking, and Lumos does the blinking.
Automatic warning lights are pretty handy too.
Hey, nice helmet.
Thanks. You'll get that too.
Lumos even syncs with Strava and your iPhone's activity tracker. Whether you ride the night or ride the day, be seen, be safe with Lumos.
For cycling fans, safety always comes first. This is the BH60 Smart Helmet introduced by Livall. the most powerful and smart helmet created and designed by a group of cyclists who have an enormous passion for cycling. The Live All Smart helmet will give you a comfortable, safe, and smart riding experience you've been looking for. This small multifunctional controller is what we call BlingJet. You can signal left or right turns through the helmet lights and choose your favorite music by BlingJet during your ride. We've created the world's smallest nano-cadence sensor that works together with our powerful app for you to stay on top of all your data, whether it's your physical condition or the weather, at all times to better understand and enhance your riding performance. During your ride, you can use BlingJet and easily control functions of your helmet. The movable and rear lights can help you stay safe and keep track of your friends at night. The built-in speakers and microphone make it easier to communicate with your fellow riders, take phone calls, or even listen to music. In case of an emergency, our smart helmet will display SOS signals and alert your emergency contacts. The Live All Smart helmet works to make your life easier, safer, and smarter. We've put our hearts into the design of Oxygen and used the best materials available. We hope that the Oxygen bike and smart helmet can make cycling safer and more enjoyable.